buttock skin out. Sitting bone will be nicely on the mat. And bring the sole of feet together here. Spine will be straight. Lift your chest up. And now grab the feet and try to open the feet like a book. Inhale. So like this. Lift your chest up. Inhale. With exhale, slowly go down. With the straight spine, where you can. If here, you can hold here. If you are flexible, you can go more. Inhale. Exhale as much you can go. Chin on the mat if possible. Chest on the feet. Sole of the feet. Hold 5 breaths. Inhale, lift your head up. With the straight spine, you can slowly come back. And then you can close the feet. Grab the feet. Bring them back. Now we are going for B. So for the B, inhale, lift your chest up. Now roll your back. Bring your forehead down towards the big toe. Here also you can hold 5 breaths or more. After that, when you wish to come, lift your head up first. And then inhale and lift yourself up. Slowly you can come out from the posture. Roll.